Hi everyone, welcome to our new channel Tulasco, Trade and Invest. Today I am going to tell you 3 golden rules for investors. They are: invest early, invest regularly, and invest for long term, not for short term. Today we are going to discuss about some topics: where to invest, options that we have to invest, why to trade or invest in stock market, things to know before entering into stock market, what does stock market consists of. First topic is where to invest. We have two ways to invest. First one is physical assets and second one is financial assets. Physical assets like real estate, jewelry and commodities, etc. Financial assets like FDs, savings with post office, insurance, provident, pensions, securities and market related items like bonds, shares, debentures, etc. And our second topic is options that we have to invest. We can invest for long term or short term. In long term, savings with the post office or public provident funds, bonds or in mutual funds, or we can invest in stocks in stock market. And in short term, we can save our money in savings account and invest in money markets or liquid funds or trading in stock market. Let us move to our next topic: why to trade in stock market. In stock market, you don't need a lot of money to start making money. Unlike buying a property and a monthly mortgage, it needs a very minimal time. In this, we can liquidate our money very easily and very fastly. In this, we can make profits without any graduation. Now, let us move on to next topic, that is things to know before entering to stock market. First one is we want to know each and every aspect of investments. And second one is stock options, stock trading. And fourth one is company shares, dividends and types of shares. And fifth one is what is debentures and securities, mutual funds, and what is IPO. IPO means initial public offering. And last one is futures and options. In our coming videos, I am going to explain all these topics. Now let us move on to next topic, that is what does stock market consist of. In stock market, there are exchanges like Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange and London Stock Exchange, etc. And stock market consists of indices like Sensex, Nifty, etc. Sensex is the index of BSE and Nifty is the index of NSE. And there is a head like in India, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India,